So enlarge the triangle below by a scale factor of -2. Use the origin as the centre of enlargement. So when the scale factor is negative, what will happen is that the enlarged shape will appear on the other side of the centre of enlargement. So in this case, the centre of enlargement is the origin, so the enlarged shape will appear to the side of it and it'll be over here. And what will happen as well, because it's a negative scale factor, the coordinates, the signs of the coordinates will change. So for example, if x is -1 here, well, when we enlarge it, it will become a positive value, okay? And then if the y value here, so the y coordinate is 3, well, when we enlarge it then by that scale factor of -2, it will become a negative y value, okay? So all you have to do to enlarge though by scale factor 2 is simply to look how far we are from the centre of enlargement there. So we've got to go across 1, down 3. So then we're going to go in the opposite direction then. So we're going to go, instead of going across 1, down 3, we're going to go across 2 and down 6. And we're going to end up here. So that coordinate will go from here to here. Likewise then, this corner point will go across 1, down 4 to get to the origin, across 1, down 4. So we're going to double that. So instead of going across 1, we go across 2 and down 8. So we end up here. And similarly then, this last one, well, you've got to go across 4, down 3. So we've got to double that. So instead of going across 4, down 3, we're going to go across 8 and down 6. So we end up here. So our enlarged shape, okay, scale factor -2, okay. So you'll notice that the length of the sides is doubled. So that has gone from 1 to length 2. That side there has gone from 3 units to 6 units. So it's doubled in length, but because, as I said, the scale factor is negative, it will be the opposite side of the centre of enlargement. Okay, and you'll notice then, as I said earlier, that the x value here was -1. Now it becomes +2. Okay, so it goes from a minus to a positive. And similarly then, the y value here is +3, so this sign will change to -6. Okay, another way to look then is to sort of look at the corresponding points. Okay, so that corner point corresponds to that corner point. We could join them up like that. The same then, that corner point corresponds to this corner point. And then this corner point corresponds to that corner point. And you'll notice all those 3 lines actually cross then at the centre of enlargement. So with this next one, we've got a centre of enlargement at A, okay, here. And again, you can see we've got a negative scale factor. This time a half, so this shape is going to shrink in size, it's going to halve. But of course then we're going to go the other side of the centre of enlargement. So if the centre of enlargement is there, we can go the other side of it. Now, if you take that distance from here to here, it's of length 2 units, so it's going to go the other side. And because we are halving it, instead of it being 2 units now, when we halve it, it'll only be 1 unit. So you're going to cross 1 unit. Similarly then, for that corner point, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units to the point. So we're going to we're going to go that direction. We're going to halve it. So it's going to, so instead of 8, it's going to be 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to go there. And then with this corner point, we are 4 down, 2 across. So we're going to halve that. So instead of 4 down, 2 across, we're going to go 2 down, 1 across. So we're going to end up here. So with the other side of the centre of enlargement, and the distance to the centre is halved, and the shape, you notice, is halved in length also.